Without a convention for the order in which operations should be applied, many mathematical expressions are quite ambiguous. 5 plus 4 times 3. Should I do the plus first or the times? 18p minus 2. Well, that's 18 times p minus 2. But should I do the times first or the minus? If we didn't have a suitable convention for this, we would have to use brackets all the time. If we didn't, we could never be sure which operation was intended to be done first. The last example here is one I've taken straight from a popular post on Facebook. As a mathematics teacher, I am horrified and disappointed by how many people simply don't know or don't remember how to apply the correct mathematical convention for the order of operations. Many people just do the operations from left to right, in the order they're written, as if it's an English sentence to be read and performed in simple linear fashion. This is incorrect. Others vaguely remember something called BODMAS or BEMDAS and do all additions before any subtractions. That's also incorrect. Here is the correct mathematical convention for order of operations. These rules apply every time you read or write mathematics, every time you construct or evaluate an expression. They always apply. Always. Brackets come first. Work out the innermost brackets first, then go outwards, one pair of brackets at a time. Exponents come next. Squares, roots, powers. Then multiplication and division, in order from left to right. In the old BOMDAS, or however you learnt it, the M and the D were meant to be interchangeable. You do them in the order they're written in the expression. And finally, addition and subtraction. Again, in order from left to right, as they're written in the expression. I'm going to say it again. This convention for the order of operations always applies. So in the first example here, 5 plus 4 times 3, we do the times first, not the add. 5 plus 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, so it's 5 plus 12, which is 17. 18p minus 2. Well, I can't actually evaluate this one because I don't have a value for p. But I do know that the multiplication gets done first. It's 18 times p minus 2. 5 plus 2 squared times 8 plus 4. Notice I already know to interpret the second 2 as squared because of the way it's written, higher up and small. It's an exponent, so we have to do that first, and it's written on the right of the thing that's being squared. 2 squared, which is 4. Next, the multiply. 4 times 8, which is 32. Now I've just got 2 additions left. 5 plus 32 is 37, plus 4 is 41. Finally, 7 minus 1 times 0 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, so first we have to do the multiplication and division. 1 times 0 is 0, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now I have a minus and a plus. What does my convention say? In order from left to right. So in this case, the minus comes before the plus. 7 minus 0 is 7, plus 1 is 8. That's how this convention works. Always. Every time. There are no exceptions.